Now, what is the formula for sine sine of trigonometry metric function? Is it okay? So there are, if you see, there are four quadrants. This is first, second, third, fourth. It is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and 270, and the last one is 360. Again, we are at the same place. Okay. Now, in first quadrant, angle lies between 0 to 90 degree. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, how we change? Sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant 90 minus theta. We know that in first quadrant all are positive. We know that first quadrant all are positive. And beta, let me tell you, let me very important note for you. Note 90 degree and 270 degree will change function. And 180 degree and 360 degree, they will not change function. Beta, is it okay or not? Very important.
Sir,
देखो बेटा,
sir, why y-axis will
बेटा
change
listen.
function?
Firstly, beta, they will change angles. I know that you will ask me this question. I will explain after this. Okay, let me write this. Write all the formulas at the end. I will do it. Okay, so don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Now we know that sine is converted into cos theta. This thing you have done in 10th class also. Cos 90 minus theta, it is sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. The function is changed. Sine is converted into cos, cos is converted into sine, tan is converted into cot, cot is converted into tan, secant is cosecant theta, cosecant is secant theta. Is it okay? Now this is about first function. Now we know that in second quadrant we know ASTC, after school to college. A mean all are positive. In second quadrant sine and its reciprocal cosecant is positive. Third T mean tan. Tan its opposite cot is also positive. Third is cos. Sorry, fourth quadrant cos is positive. Okay, just remember this one also. Now, two types of angles in second quadrant: 0, 90, 180, 270. Beta, we know that in second quadrant angles are more than 90 and less than 90. Let me tell you, sine 90 plus theta cos 90 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta. Beta 90 plus mean we are talking about second quadrant. Cot 90 plus theta. Secant, sorry, secant 90 plus theta. Cosecant 90 plus theta. Wait. Cosecant 90 plus theta. Or second case is in the second quadrant, angle may be 180 minus. Angle will lie between angle lie between 90 degree to 180 degree. Sine 180 degrees. Okay. Cos 180 minus theta, beta, both belongs to 90 plus theta, and 180 minus theta both belong to second quadrant. Okay. 180 minus theta, cot 180 minus theta, secant 180 minus theta, and it is secant 180 minus theta. Sine 90 plus, already told you, where will whenever you see 90 it will change the function. Sine 90 become cos theta, cos 90 plus sine theta, because 90 is there, it will always change. Tan, when you see 90 it will change, when you see 180 degree it will not change any function. Tan 90 plus it becomes cot, cot 90 becomes tan theta, secant 90 plus it becomes cosecant theta, cosecant, it becomes secant theta. But we know that in second quadrant only sine and its reciprocal cosecant is positive. We know that after school to college, after mean in first quadrant all are positive, in second quadrant s means sine positive and its reciprocal, other are negative. Okay. So we'll use plus minus 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 plus. Is it okay or not? And in the second side,
Yes.
other side, sine 180 minus theta, 180 sine 180, where 180 will never change function. Sine 180 minus it becomes sine. Cos 180 become cos. It will never 180, whenever you see 180 and 360, they will never change functions. Tan become tan. Cot remain cot. Secant remain secant. Cosecant remain cosecant. But rule is same in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive and cosecant is positive. Other are negative. Is it okay or not? We know that in third quadrant, note is 90 degree and 270 will change the function, and 180 and 360 they will never change the function. Let me take third quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, sorry. This is third, this is fourth. After school to college. So understood, in third quadrant, tan is positive. Now, if I use angle 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and 270 degree, and at the end, or 360 degree. 0 degree also become 360 degree. Let me tell you, if you see the diagram, third angle in third angle in third quadrant will lie between 180 degree to 270 degree. So it means you will see it is more than 180 degree, more than 180 degree, and less than 270. Now we will see there are two types of sine 180 degree plus theta, cos 180 degree plus theta, sorry, tan 180 plus theta, cot 180 plus theta, secant 180 plus theta, cosecant or second case is in third quadrant, angle will less than 270, 270 minus theta, cos 270 minus theta, tan 270 minus theta, cot 270 minus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 minus theta. Is it okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Sine 180. We know that 180 will never change the function. Sine become sine. Cos become cos. Tan become tan. Cot remains cot. Secant remains secant. Cosecant remain cosecant. Okay. But in third quadrant, we know that third quadrant tan is positive. We know that in third quadrant tan is positive. So tan is positive and cot is positive. They are positive, other all are negative. In other side, now there is 270 degree already told you in the note. Whenever you see 270 degree, they will change the function. Sine become cos, cos become sine, tan become cot, cot become tan, secant become cosecant, cosecant becomes secant. But we know that tan is positive and cot is positive. They are positive, other are negative. In fourth quadrant, see the diagram. Angle more than 270 degree and less than 360 degree. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
We know that angle more than sine, sorry, sine 90, sorry, not 90, 270 plus cos 270 plus tan 270 plus cot 270 plus cosecant 270 plus secant 270 plus. We know that whenever you see 270, it will definitely change the function. Sine become cos, cos become sine, tan become cot, cot become tan, cosecant becomes secant, that become cosecant. We know that in fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. So answer in front of sine and secant, they are positive, other are negative. Beta in presentation, second presentation is cos, sorry, sine 360. 360 plus is again also called sine minus theta. Sine 360
Excuse me, sir.
sine 360 minus theta or sine 360 minus theta can be written as sine minus theta. I will explain in next lecture. Okay. Cos 360 minus theta is equal to tan 360 minus theta, cot 360 minus theta, secant 360 minus theta, cosecant 360 minus, and the second way to write is only cos minus theta, tan minus theta. This is a representation only. Okay, this is not an answer. This is the representation only. Cosecant 360. Now we know that whenever you see 360, whenever you see 360 in the question, they will not change the function. Sin theta will remain sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cos theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. We know that now. We know that sine only in fourth quadrant cos theta and secant are positive. Are positive. So it means answer in front of cos and sec, they are positive. Other we mark negative. Clear? This we have done